1.
Okay, so we're gonna go over the ligaments of the foot. Some of them you can't see, and yeah, so we'll just go through it slowly. Okay, so the plantar fascia is, you can't see it. It like goes over this part of the foot right here. So yeah, so you can't see it on this model. So then the next one is your long plantar. That's this one right here. This. So that goes from the calcaneus to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th metatarsals. So next we go to your ankle. So we're going to go on the internal side first. So the medial side. So the first one is the anterior talotibial ligament. And that's this part right here. This big ligament is going to be divided into 2 different ones. So the top part is the anterior talotibial. So that goes from your talus to the tibia, which obviously isn't here. So next is your posterior talotibial, which is this one right here. So on the back of the medial side. So your posterior talotibial, that goes from your talus to your tibia too. So next is your calcaneotibial, which is this one in the middle. So that goes from your calcaneus to your tibia. And then last for the medial side is the tibio-navicular, which is the bottom half, which is right here. So it goes to your navicular, which is the bone here, then to your tibia, which obviously isn't here, but it connects, it will come up like this. So this is the tibio-navicular. So next is your external collateral ligament, so that's on the lateral side. So first we have your anterior talofibular. That's this one right here. So it goes from your talus to your fibula, which again, it's not there. The tibia,
Fibula.
your fibula. So this is your anterior talofibular. Next is your posterior talofibular. It is not, it's been broken off on this model, but you can see the end of it, it goes right here, but it will strap across like this. So your posterior talofibular goes from the talus to the fibula. Next is your calcaneofibular, which is this one right here. It goes from your calcaneus to your fibula. Then you have your lateral talocalcaneal, which is this small, nice little ligament right underneath here, in this crack right here, right underneath there. So that is the lateral talocalcaneal, which goes from your talus to your calcaneus. So it comes along this way. Okay, so then we get into your other ligaments, and these ones you can't see either on this model, but they kind of just strap over the ligaments and muscles. So first you have your anterior tibia fibular. Those it's a ligament in between your 2 bones, so your 2 bones are going to be up like this, like together, and this ligament's going to strap in between the 2 bones in the anterior aspect. So it'd be like this if the 2 bones were there. Then your posterior tibia fibular is going to be on the back side between the tibia and the fibula.
And since they're not on this model and you can't see them, you're not going to get tag tested on them.
Yeah, he won't tag test them. But so then you have your superior retinaculum, which is going to strap across again your tibia and fibula muscle. So it will go like this. It's a big thing. Then you have your inferior retinaculum, which will strap across the bottom of your foot like this. Again, it's not on this model. Then you have your peroneal retinaculum, which is this right here. It straps down your peroneus brevis and your peroneus longus. So it's this one right here, this little thing. Your peroneal retinaculum. So it goes, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right, sorry.
Yeah, right here.
Don't listen to KJ.
Peroneal retinaculum. So it goes from the lateral, superior, and inferior aspect of the calcaneus. Next is your flexor retinaculum, which is going to be on this side, you can't see it, and it goes this way, like this, and it goes from the medial malleolus to the metatarsals, so you can't see it on this. And that is all the ligaments.